Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into expert tips on how to sell a luxury home in Houston. Whether you're a seasoned seller or a first-timer, these insights will help you get the best deal. Selling a luxury property is a different ballgame. You're not just selling a house, you're selling a lifestyle. So buckle up, because we're about to break down the essential steps to make your listing stand out in the competitive Houston market and attract the right buyer. Alright guys, first impressions are everything, right? Especially in real estate. When you're dealing with luxury, you need to stage your home to sell a dream. We're talking about showcasing the lifestyle your home offers. Think about it. Spacious living areas, perfect for hosting those swanky Houston soirees. A chef's kitchen that would make Gordon Ramsay jealous, and a master suite that screams relaxation. You want potential buyers walking in and picturing themselves sipping champagne on that expansive patio, overlooking the Houston skyline. Clear the clutter, bring in some statement pieces, and let's get that wow factor working for you. Remember, we're selling an aspiration here, a taste of the good life. Listen, we're living in a digital age, and your listing needs to be dressed to impress online. Professional photography and videography are non-negotiable. Think about it. Those high-quality, beautifully lit photos are your home's first impression online. They need to pop, they need to entice, they need to make someone stop scrolling and say, "Whoa, tell me more about place." Drone shots, twilight photography, virtual tours. These aren't just buzzwords. They're your secret weapons to showcasing your home in its full glory. Trust me, investing in top-notch visuals is worth every penny. Chapter 3. Digital Domination. Marketing your luxury listing. We've got the visuals down. Now let's talk about getting those eyeballs on your property. Digital marketing is key, people. We need to be strategic here. Think targeted social media campaigns, luxury real estate platforms, and maybe even a sleek website dedicated to your property. We want to reach those discerning buyers who appreciate the finer things in life. Remember, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality leads. We're not casting a wide net. We're aiming for a bullseye. Chapter 4. Finding your perfect match. The luxury real estate agent. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ryan, do I really need an agent? Trust me on this one, especially in the luxury market. A seasoned real estate agent who specializes in high-end properties is worth their weight in gold. They speak the language of luxury, they know the players, and they'll negotiate the best possible deal for you. Think of them as your secret weapon, your partner in crime. Look for someone with a proven track record, someone who understands your vision, and someone who'll hustle for you every step of the way. Chapter 5. The price is right. Valuing your luxury home. Okay, let's talk numbers. Pricing your luxury home correctly from the get-go is crucial. Too high and you'll scare away potential buyers. Too low and you're leaving money on the table. We need to find the sweet spot. This is where a deep understanding of the Houston market comes into play. Look at comparable properties, factor in those luxury upgrades, and let's set a price that attracts serious buyers while maximizing your return. Remember, pricing it right is the first step to closing that dream deal. Ready to conquer the Houston luxury market? Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert advice on luxury real estate. Remember, selling your luxury home is about showcasing a lifestyle, creating a desire, and finding the perfect buyer. With the right strategy, the right team, and a little bit of that Houston charm, you'll be closing that deal in no time.